Owning a production company and a studio means we rent it out from time to time for other productions.
We're making another movie.
Which means today we have to move these lights from over here to the green screen over here. First, I gotta pull down my lights. Gotta pull down my lights. 2. We'll start with 2 lights, and then we'll add in as we go. Move this over. I'm gonna get my power supplies. If you think you can. Set our ladder here. Got my lights down, and I'm ready to move them over here. I gotta determine how I'm gonna hang them, and if I have to add in another piece of pipe over here to get it closer to the green screen. I don't think I'm gonna have to, so I'm just gonna hang them on this little piece of pipe here. These 2 end pieces, that should help me out if I need to move them closer or not. What am I gonna use to hang these lights? I'm gonna use 2 baby pipe clamps. So I've got my baby pipe clamp here, and this is gonna help me get onto my 1-inch pipe overhead. And with the Deer Cool pipe clamp, it has an extra feature where I can spin the baby pin and pivot my lights into place so I can get them extremely accurate and pointed in the right direction. So let's go up the ladder and set our points, which is our rigging, and hang our lights. I want to get close to the edge of the green screen so I can fill up that green screen as much as possible. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down my baby pipe clamp here with this nifty little handle there. Allows me to get it super tight. Make sure I'm pretty plumb. And I'm feeling with the LED panel being about this wide, that's going to get me to the edge of my green screen. So we should be in good shape there. And now I'm ready to hang my first light and power it up to my overhead power there. My first LED panel is up on my pipe clamp. Now I want to run my power supply. I use zip ties to just kind of lightly loosen and let my power supply hang up there. And now I'm ready to plug it in. I'm just going to point my light towards my green screen a little bit. And I'm going to add a little safety here. So if any accidents happen, my light won't fall to the ground. We do this with a bow line. Some trick line is generally what we call the rope. Trick line tied to a bow line. And once that bow line is secure, we're ready to go. Okay, so I got my power supply, my power ran. Just gonna put a little loop in that to make it safe. And I'm ready to plug it in.
They're gonna pay us $50 a day to film some of the movie here.
We'll run that cable through here.
Boom, turn it on. And it's looking pretty good right now. We'll have to make some adjustments a little bit later, but it's on. It's lighting up the green screen nice and even because LED panels are great for soft, even light. And now we're ready to add our second panel right over here. Second panel. And I'll put it about the same position as my first panel. Tighten down my pipe clamp, baby pipe clamp. Looking pretty even there. Add my safety. Bow line, know your bow line, know your knots. You can also use wire safety. Wire safety is much easier to manipulate and much faster if you don't know your knots. But I know my knots, so I'm going to use Just a simple bow line. Now I'm secure. Feel pretty even. I feel like this could be over just a little bit more. Okay. Now we're ready to add our power supply and plug it up, and then it'll be ready to go. All right, same deal. I'm going to use my zip ties here just to hang it on there safely. Now that's ready, and we can plug it up. Okay, run our power cable back to our power supply. And we are ready to go. Pretty even there. All right, once I'm satisfied with the way it's kind of looking, now I'm ready to come down and see if I need to add any more lights to this. But I think this is going to evenly light this green screen pretty good.
Do you know anything about film production?
Well, I like to think so.
One little trick I want to show you about lighting up green screens is you can add some plus green. This is plus green gel from Leaf Filters or Rosco filters. We can add this to our LEDs since these are daylight balanced, roughly daylight balanced, 5,600 degrees Kelvin. We'll add a little green to those to actually help the green screen pop more of a green color instead of giving it a bluish tint from the 5,600 degree Kelvin lights. This will really help even out your green screen and just make the color pop. Add some just straight up gaff tape to this because LED panels aren't really great for hanging using C47s or grip clips or anything like that. So I'm just going to use gaff tape on these lights. Normally, I would not use gaff tape on any lights, no matter what. Gaff tape is a big no-no, but these are pretty aluminum and clean up fairly nicely. So that's a little green slime on that. Just going to straighten this up a little, even it out. So now we've greened up our green screen a little bit more than having a bluish tint. And we will do the same to the other light. So we're in a pretty good place right now. We got some cleaning and stretching and maybe iron it out a little bit so there's not so many wrinkles in the green screen. That's a final process. But we're pretty lit, and I'm going to turn off some lights and we can take a look at what it looks like. Now I want to just see some overall measurements so I know what my f-stop is, and also check along the green screen at arm's length and make sure that we're getting a nice, even. When it really comes time to shoot, we'll probably add 2 more LED panels here and here just to help fill this in towards the bottom so we're not falling off too much. But we're pretty much set. We're in a good place for a pre-light. Like I said, I'll pull down 2 more lights and we'll even it up just a little bit more. But this is pretty much a good pre-light start. So when we go to shoot on that day, we'll just have to turn on these lights and be ready to shoot. Maybe some minor adjustments.
How did you get this job?
We've lit up a green screen and now we can be in Italy and we can be in Paris. It doesn't matter. All we need now is to actually light me and the subject, which we'll do on the day. And that's a little bit about lighting a green screen in the video production business and how you can make your creativity into a business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.